Hey guys, so let me do a quick video, a little bit longer. So here's a few stretches that have been working for me that I do constantly. So one of them is, so for the pelvic pain, I would say, sorry for showing the crotch, right here, right? For me, this is really tight. So I was doing the, I think these are called cobra stretches like this. And I just noticed that it was just not going as deep as I would like it. So I would do the extended one, the one with the knee up, and I would make sure to like hold balance, like have something to hold my balance, because I noticed like I was still keeping it tight, and then I lift it up and I kind of breathe out, and I noticed that this is like just pulling. This feels amazing. It hurts everything else. So do it on both sides. Let me just make sure that it's even. I noticed that this side is usually really tight for me. So same thing goes. Might not be perfect. I'm not a specialist. Here's what I do. So just going slowly because I feel like it's really tight, even though I did it this morning already. Oof, that feels stupendous. Next thing that I do is for my adductor muscle. Sorry, I'm losing my voice. So you can do like sideways like this, but I noticed for some reason I couldn't go deep enough, so I just make sure to put my knee down. I usually do it at home, and that feels. So I usually have a yoga mat, but I'm at school. So, and I would just make sure, and you could do it on a table, and make sure just to fully stretch that out. Okay, that's the second one. Do it on both sides so it's even. I'm actually gonna get a massage after this. Is what I have. Oh, my adductor muscles are crazy. They feel super tight. So, all right. And the next thing that I do is I lay down on my knees. Just lay down with whatever this is called. And I noticed that my lower abs would always stretch. And here I just massage on the pelvic area. It feels terrible. But it helps loosen it up. Why, I don't know. For those of you who have trouble getting up, it might be painful to get up. But yeah, those are the ones that help out for me. Hope they help you. Later, guys.